gonna do Cola Mentos experiment.
Awesome.
I'm so excited! So we got 2 bottles of cola and some Mentos. So first we have to open the 2 lids of the 2 cola bottles. There we go. Okay. We need to run because I think it's gonna explode. Yeah. Okay. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness! It's getting very good! It's like these little jelly cola bottles now. Ooh, it's like a waterfall. It's like a waterfall. Mine is getting bigger. Oh my goodness! Oh. Guys, hope you like this crazy video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Smash the like button. Yeah.